Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome as well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this trending Patewo hairstyle, and as always I'll be breaking everything down in full detail so you can easily follow along and achieve this look perfectly without much stress. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. So you start by patting a straight line down towards the nape area of the head, as you're seeing me do. That is a vertical line in the middle of the head. Make sure the line is straight too and well centralized, because that is part of what will make or break this hairstyle. Okay, so now you should have two sections. We'll be working on one section first before moving to the other section, so just watch closely. Okay, this hairstyle is quite simple and at the same time technical. The patewo, which is the bone at the top, that is the technical part, while the cornrows, I think if you can make a regular cornrows, then you can definitely do this hairstyle. So for the cornrows, remember that we have two sections and we'll be working on one side before we go to the other side. So for the cornrows, you can decide whatever style of cornrows, whatever design of cornrows you want. But for this one, I just wanted something simple and something easy. So for the back of the cornrow, you are going to make it like a little bit upwards. The both sections that we've sectioned at initially down to the nape of the head that we did before is like making cornrows that will just end at that middle. Okay, but for the back, instead of making the back regular ending at the middle, we'll be taking it up a little bit. I don't know if you understand, but that is the best way I can explain that part. So be taking it up a little bit, and that is what I'm doing right now. I'll do the same thing, you just see me doing cornrows for this entire side and for the other side, and then I'll come back and explain the patewo, the bun part of this hairstyle. Okay, watch and stick around till the end if you want to see how I did mine. Okay, because the thing is, there are many patewo styles. The bun it looks easy, but trust me, it's not as easy as it looks. Okay, and there are many different styles, there are many different ways to do it. There are many different patterns, many different designs. That's why you will see no two patewo or no two patewo hairstyle looking the same. Okay, although we have one particular one that is regular, but that's not what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, or I achieved what you saw on the thumbnail of this video, then watch till the end. Okay, one thing that I will still mention is this: you can decide to increase the size of your cornrows. For this particular one, I wish I increased it because it was quite too small, but I was thinking the extension I was using will not be enough. That's why I didn't um I didn't make it quite big. Or you can make yours big and you can go crazy with the designs that you want. I didn't do much design for this. I just did it very regular, very simple and straightforward. So whatever a design you want, you can do that. Okay, so just stick around and I'll be back to explain how I did the patewo itself, which is like the bun. When I mean patewo, usually I'm talking about the bun itself. Okay. So I know a lot of you are eager to see what I did or I achieved the look that you saw at the beginning. This is how I did mine, okay? So I section it into four sections, which is the middle point. I sectioned into four sections, and I took a big chunk of extension as you're seeing me do. Then I did like a little plait. Then I went with my thread. If you're familiar with fake twist, that is what I did, but with thread and extension. I did something like that, fake twist. This is also corkscrew, but not a tight corkscrew. Okay, so you do it till the end, not too tight. So remember, you're going to wrap it, so not too tight. You do the same thing for the first section that you section out. Okay, after doing the same thing, I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay. Okay. So after you're done with the entire first section, all you have to do is just wrap them together. Wrap them together in a way that it will be very, very like presentable, not all over the place. Okay, like have a vision, have how you want it to look, and then just wrap it accordingly. That was what I did for this particular hairstyle, and it came out so beautiful. Okay, so that was what I did for this particular Patewo. And if you would want me to try or show you guys other ways of achieving this Patewo hairstyle, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be bringing you guys different Patewo styles. Okay, and when I'm saying Patewo, I mean the back. Okay, which is this bun now. So if you want me to show you guys um, different ways to achieve it, or different pattern rather, let me know and I'll do just that. Okay, so after I was done placing it the way I wanted, I went in my needle and thread, and I just tacked them down. I just sewed it in a way that it will not move out of place. Okay, and that was all I did for this hairstyle. So until the next one, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends as well. Okay, let me know if this video was helpful, and until the next one, bye bye. Kindly watch to the end though, even though I've stopped explaining, watch to the end. Okay. Okay. Bye.